All right, so let me talk through this final example here. And the fact that you have this imaginary 0 means you also need its conjugate pair, positive 6i. And with this irrational 0, because it's a polynomial expression, you need its conjugate pair, which would be positive root 2. Okay, so if we identify our answer, f of x is equal to, again, we're going to have some coefficient, which we're going to solve for. And then use our factors, x minus negative root 6i, so x plus 6i, x minus 6i. Here, x minus a negative plus root 2, x minus root 2. So here is our function. So what I'm going to do is the same idea. I'm going to use the solve feature. I know that the y value is 37 when the x value is 1. So I'm going to use that with my solve feature. So F2 algebra tab solve, and again I get 37 is equal to a, some unknown, times the factor x plus 6i. I need to use the second catalog for I, times x minus 6i, times x plus square root 2, close that off, and then x minus the square root 2, close that off. I am going to use my with key, x is equal to 1, and I want to solve this all for a, close off my entire expression, and I get my a value to be negative 1. Okay, and so when I write my answer here, if I'm going to expand this, again, I'll delete what I have here, move to the front, and I know my expand is F2, option 3, negative 1 is my multiplier, and when I expand that out, I get negative x to the 4th. Oops. Okay, minus 34x squared plus 72, and so that would be my polynomial.